Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Barton and this is my daddy Ray guys.
And this is Rio, of course.
Star Wars.
Yes, Star Wars. Yeah, so because they're wearing Star Wars and me too. So we are going to unbox the new
Darth Maul.
Yeah, the newly released Darth Maul. Yeah. So we just pick up. This is the special edition, of course.
Oh, that's cool. Yes.
Very quick. Yeah. Let's remove from the plastic.
Star Wars. Let's open it together.
Yes, ready. Wow, I love the box.
I love the box.
I love the box, guys. Just like the other DX, of course. Wow, look at that, guys.
Look at that, this one.
Wow.
And turn right.
Darth Maul. And turn right, yes. Okay, so you can see the outside box, guys. Okay, so this is the
Darth
Maul Star Wars.
Star Wars.
From the episode 1.
Episode 1.
Yes, and then of course special edition by Hottoys 1/6 scale collectibles, and it's a DX17, of course. And yeah, so but this one, since you can see it's a bigger box because it has of course this is a deluxe version, which is included the seat speeder. Yeah, seat speeder. Yeah, exclusive accessory, right? So let's check it out.
Let's take it out.
Wait. Ooh, be careful. Excuse me. Up. Yes.
Okay, let's go. Open it.
Yes, let's open it. So this is, of course, the second box or the print, another print of box. Yeah, aside from that black box, and you can see the look. It's like vintage look. You can see if you touch the box, right, Martin?
I hold it.
Yeah, right. Okay, can you guys see it? I like the box, guys. Very nice.
I like it's nice at the box.
Yeah, all the Star Wars can get this one.
The Star Wars.
Yeah, and then you can, of course, this DX you can open from the side. And then, wow! Look at that! Look at that! Yeah, can you see it? So this one you can see it right here. There's extra like card. Can you see it? Yeah, this is the card, guys. Yeah. You guys see it? Yeah. You guys can see it. That card. And of course the Darth Maul name here. Deadly agile Sith Lord trained by the Devil Darth Sidious. Darth Maul was a formidable warrior and scheming mastermind. He wielded on I cannot see it. An intimidating double-bladed lightsaber and fought with a menacing ferocity. Yeah, so that's what it's really.
Oh no, it's going down.
Right? That's really open. So the front one. So this is the
medical Darth Maul.
So this is his robe or his cloak, or like that. You can see from here. There you go. Wow, look at that review. No, sit down. Sit down. Yeah, because the box is so big, guys, so that's why. And wait. Okay, wait.
Black habits, this one.
So yeah, of course there's a cover. Yes.
The hologram.
Okay, let's get this one first. The hologram.
Yeah, the hologram.
Put here.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
put it there, and then has two extra.
Two faces.
One extra head sculpt, right? Open mouth.
His teeth are so dirty.
And then there you go. This is the figure, right? Okay. What? Yeah. So let's put the head first here. Extra head sculpt first on the
Right
side.
here.
The spikes on him are very on his head. I mean, the horns are very sharp.
Okay. And then of course yes, that's the head. This is the accessories.
He has 4 pairs of hands. These
4 pairs of hands.
Bracelets thing.
Yeah, something like arm.
Arm. No, just one.
Yeah, something like arm bracelet. Yes, interchangeable arm bracelet, and then
These 2.
and then blade. He has 2 extra right arm. Yeah, he has 2 right arm. Interchangeable right arm. The one you can actually both. You can actually put both batteries on it, right? And then because the other one is double bladed, the other one is just the single blade. So and then what else, Martin? This one is the his lightsaber effect. Yes.
This is the lightsaber effect and just like
Lightsaber. This one is the lightsaber effect swing, like swing mode, something like that.
And this is the
Or slice.
over here the telescope, and then I don't know what this is.
Of course, this is the lightsaber, the double blade saber, lightsaber right here. Yes, and then this is the joints, and then of course there's a small thing here, right? Maybe just part of the blade, right? There you go, guys. Right? So
Whoa!
So this is what's this?
yes.
It's open to have this.
So this is the
this?
Battery.
battery, guys. The batteries. Yeah, batteries right here.
Open
Yeah, for the
it.
hologram.
No, only open. Just put it there.
Oh, this is the Sith speeder.
Yeah, the Sith speeder. Yes, right.
Hold it.
Yes. So be careful. Be careful. You put down there. You put down there. You put down like this. Alright, guys.
It's
Okay.
a shape
You guys
of
see
a
it?
crescent.
Wait. I give it. I show it first.
It's crescent shaped.
Wow, guys, look
Okay.
at that.
It's crescent shaped.
I hold it.
Oh yeah, you put down there. Yeah, I'm gonna show you later the close up, guys. But then yeah, just showing like you very quick.
Like this.
Yes, and then right there.
This,
What's
Yeah.
this?
what's this thing?
This
Hey,
one.
this
Okay.
is the pig.
Oh,
So-
for holding the.
This one is like his droid, I think. Yeah, something he's
And this
putting here.
like holding the gate.
Okay, holding the Sith speeder. It's the stand for the droid. Yes, and of course the.
base.
Daddy. Okay, of course the. Oh, wait, Daddy.
That's mine.
And
Yes.
also, of course, the
And
manual.
the manual box
Yes,
and this
okay.
Here.
thing on the wall code.
So it
Yes.
has 2. The
I hold
set has 2 pictures.
Yeah, 2 extra print
I hold it.
inside the spaceship
Yes.
and
The car.
holder for
The
Darth Maul here figure.
One more.
Let's try to put very quick this one.
I collect the bicycle. This wheel.
Be careful.
I did
You.
this. Let's go there.
Here,
Okay, I
so you guys
just
can
put
see it,
this
right?
one.
Yes, nice.
No.
Darth
Dad,
Sidious.
Yes. Wow. So these are some of the accessories.
The
Darth Maul, the
figure.
figure.
Of course.
Oh.
It's magnetic.
It's
My
magnetic head, guys.
He's gonna get this one.
Wait. No.
The
Oh, nice. There you go.
Dot. Let's put here.
Oh, yes. You put down there. You put down.
Okay,
No. Here, so they can see it. So they can see that from the camera, right? Okay. Yeah, wow.
His teeth are so dirty.
Give me this one. This one is here, not there, okay?
No,
Don't-
you just put
No.
Serious up, I said.
bicycle.
Yes. Okay, so yeah, this is the figure, guys. Right here. Here is up.
What is kind of
Yes, guys. Can you guys see it? Wow.
And this and the gold. And this one too.
Yes. So let's change the head and then let's try to put him on the his seat speeder.
Yeah. Looks lovely.
Watch, look. Look first. Look.
And I just put this on this white.
Look. Wow, look at that. Wow, right?
Yeah.
Here guys, right? You guys can see it. Oh, be careful. So yeah, guys, I think we showed you already all the accessories
Of Darth Maul Deluxe version.
Yeah, special edition, of course. Yeah, there's a regular one without the seat speeder, but of course we choose the deluxe version, so we can have this seat speeder. It's very nice, guys. Very cool. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
And then you can see you can play with this seat speeder here. Right. But of course, yeah, it's also nice to looking at him like standing, doing some dynamic poses, right?
And he's white.
Yeah, right.
Let's go.
So yeah, so very quick review, guys. The head sculpt, guys, is very nice. For me, it's very nice. Although some of the collectors, they don't like. Maybe they saying they like the sideshow one. I saw the sideshow one. I like it too. But then I like this one too. Of course, this is DX. It's very nice.
Which one's better?
Huh?
Which one's better?
Well, some people saying like the Darth Maul sideshow, or some are saying like the Hottoys, of course. Yeah, but then it depends on how you going to look at it. Like, but for me, I really like the head sculpt. I really like this head sculpt, guys. Right, and then of course the
bye guys.
Not yet. Of course, the seat speeder is very nice to add to your collection.
Yeah.
Right, this one, right? This one is nice, right?
Yes.
Yes, right.
I like this.
Okay. Because of course, this one, if you're really a fan of Star Wars, this one is very nice to have it, right? And then,
so you'll have a complete set.
yes. And of course, this one. Oh, nice. Very nice. Yeah, from his suit, from the fabric materials, very nice. The tailored, very nice. Tailored.
Okay.
Yeah, articulations very nice, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, it's got your hair.
Although some maybe, yeah, the knees is okay. As you can see, the knees very high. You can see how I bend it, and then the.
Is it double jointed?
Yeah, the thigh. Oh, not really. But this one, the knees, you can see it's so high.
Double jointed.
Yeah, double jointed or almost 180.
The hand. How about the shoulder?
The hands also, yeah, almost.
How about the shoulder?
Almost 180.
How about the shoulder?
Shoulder is okay too, yeah. See. Wow. Yeah. A bit loose, but it's fine. Yeah. So you can pose a lot of. Oops. A lot of.
You gotta be careful with the droid because the top one is heavier than the bottom part.
Yeah, of course. So that's why I don't
go down easier.
How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure?
The details on his horns, you can see it really looks like it's popping out of his head, and his eyes. It's really movie accurate. Yeah, it's really nice how he looks so serious. His face here.
And this me too.
And the robe
and the wait for your turn.
And his robe. No, what's this called?
Fabric material, yeah. Fabric material, yes. Not yet. Not yet.
It's really nice. It looks really comfy to wear.
Okay.
It's probably because he needs to move so much.
Of course, the leather material here. But yeah, of course, we have to be careful
on
on
that.
that.
The leather material do to him?
On the custard yard.
It helps him with
What do you mean?
shoes.
That's a belt. It's the normal belt. Yeah, it's the normal belt to cover. It's usually.
Ooh.
Right, so yeah, it's a very nice figure, guys. For me, it's a very nice figure.
Maul.
Yeah, so this hologram,
Darth Maul.
small figure. I think this one is Darth Maul. Yeah, we think it's Darth Maul because of that spike horns on his head. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it, guys. Just a very quick one, just a very quick review. Right, everything is nice, everything is perfect for me. Rio, Martin,
if you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like. And goodbye.
And bye.
Bye. And yeah, don't forget to press the notification so you can always get the latest unboxing, even though some are old already. But then yeah, at least you are notified if we have some new uploads. Yes?
Yes.
So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
See you. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
Peace out.
Go.
Go.
Oh, go inside now. Go inside.
Go
Go
inside.
Yeah, but here comes the what? Yeah, it's on every climate cause it's crazy with faces. But the plot. So come on, tell it's going live because it's going on like that. Some of the places make it going down. Yo, 2